When the Chief Justice of a High Court acts in an administrative capacity, he is subject to the writ jurisdiction of any other judges of the High Court, special control exercised by the Chief Justice of India, discretionary powers of the Governor of the state, or special powers provided to the Chief Minister. Now let's break it down into very simple terms. Who is the Chief Justice of a High Court? Chief Justice of a High Court is the head judge of the state's High Court. He has both judicial powers and administrative powers. Judicial power means those powers which are related to court cases, and administrative power means those powers which are related to the courts and judges. Now, what does acts in administrative capacity mean? Judicial work means hearing and deciding cases, and administrative work means managing the court system, assigning cases to judges, and handling transfers of judges. When the Chief Justice of a High Court is acting in an administrative role, he is not above the law. That means other judges in the High Court can question his actions. Other judges in a High Court can question his actions if they go against constitutional rights. Now, why is option 1 correct? Writ jurisdiction of other judges of the High Court. This is the first option. This is correct because let's understand this. Let's start with what is writ jurisdiction. Writ jurisdiction means the power to issue writs, which are nothing but legal orders to protect the fundamental rights. The High Court can issue writs against any government official or authority if they act unfairly. This includes the Chief Justice of the High Court when he is acting in an administrative capacity. Now, let's understand this with an example. Suppose the Chief Justice of a High Court unfairly transfers a judge without following proper rules. Another judge of the same High Court can challenge this decision using writ jurisdiction. The court will check whether the Chief Justice followed the law. The court will check whether the Chief Justice followed the law. Conclusion: other judges of the High Court can question the Chief Justice administrative decisions using the writ jurisdiction. Hence, option 1 is correct. Now, why are the other options wrong? Let's take a look at the option 2. Special control by the Chief Justice of India. This statement is wrong. The Chief Justice of India is the head of the Supreme Court, not the High Court. The Chief Justice of India does not control the day-to-day administration of high courts. So, the Chief Justice of India does not have special control over the Chief Justice of a High Court. Now, option 3. Discretionary powers of the governor. Discretionary powers of the governor of the state. This statement is also incorrect. The governor of the state has no control over the Chief Justice of the High Court. The governor only appoints High Court judges on the recommendation of the President and the Supreme Court. But after the appointment, the governor cannot interfere in the Chief Justice's work. Now the fourth statement. Special powers of the Chief Minister. This statement is also incorrect because the Chief Minister is the political leader and has no authority over the Chief Justice of a High Court. The judiciary is independent from the government, which is the executive part. Chief Minister cannot control or interfere in the Chief Justice decisions. Hence, B, C, and D, these three options are incorrect. Again, let's summarize this in simple words. Writ jurisdiction of the high courts, writ jurisdiction of the high court judges. These other judges can challenge the Chief Justice administration actions if they violate the law. This is correct statement. Special control by Chief Justice of India. The Chief Justice of India does not directly control the High Court administration. This is incorrect statement. Discretionary powers of the governors. The governor has no power over the High Court's administration. This statement is also incorrect. Special powers of the Chief Minister. Chief Minister cannot interfere in the judicial matters, and hence this statement is also incorrect. If the Chief Justice of High Court misuses administrative powers, other judges of the High Court can challenge it through writ jurisdiction. Hence, option 1 is correct. I hope you understood this explanation. And this question was asked in the 1996 in the civil services exam.